Hello FutureMakers, welcome to TeacherPreneur. So recently I got a DM where a parent asked me when teachers are available to teach phonics and when I can send my child to a phonics class, why is there a need for me to learn phonics? And in today's video I'm going to answer exactly that. Understand that when a child goes to learn from a teacher, specifically in the school, the teacher to student ratio is at least 20:1. And if your child is going to any classes, the teacher to student ratio will still be 5:1, which means one teacher has to handle multiple students and she cannot gauge the progress of each and every child. She has to go with the speed which is catering to each and every child available in the group. Also, the school or classes are available for only a limited time, but most of the time the child is with you, the parent, and hence if you know phonics, you can really help your child in gaining the skill of reading. The teacher might have taught the student CAT cat, RAT rat, but when the student actually goes out with you and if he tries to read something and he's not able to read it, if he asks you, you should be able to tell why that word is sounding that way and why is it spelled that way and read that way. That can only be done if you know the rules of phonics and how phonics sounds work. Hence, according to me, it is really important for you as parent to know this so that your child can become an independent reader with your help. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, do follow TeacherPreneur for more.